I was very sad to see that because those guys are, yeah.
In this video, I will show you how to face swap videos using an open source free tool available on the market. We will explore how to do it online. You can install this tool on your own machine as well if you have a decent graphics card. Before doing the tutorial, let me show you how people are earning some quick bucks by providing the face swap services on the Upwork. So this guy is doing face swap and starting with $100. You can also do that with this simple free tool, so stick around until the end. The tool is called Roop. It's an open source tool that you can find on GitHub, and I will show you how to use it with Google Colab, so you can use it in the cloud without the need of high-end graphics card. This tool doesn't require any training or any dataset to train. We just need to provide the target video and a single image to swap the face in the video. Alright, you just need to click on the Colab notebook link provided in the description of this video, and you will end up on this page. Log in with your Google account if you haven't already. First, you need to click on the copy to drive button located in the ribbon, so you are not going to share your data with the owner of this notebook. Next, you need to connect the notebook to the resources. Simply click on the connect GPU button. It will show you the notebook is connected. Click on the resources and a pane will be displayed showing you the RAM, GPU memory and the available disk space. On the left side, click on this folder icon and it will show you the directories and the files available on the Colab's temporary storage. Alright, let's run the first cell by clicking the play button located on the top left corner of the cell. This cell will download the repo files in this notebook. As you can see, the folder named Roop is created in here. This cell will take some time as this will install the necessary packages and the code dependencies. Until the execution of this cell is completed, let me upload my target video and the image that I need to swap. When you try to upload the files in the notebook storage, a warning will appear saying that the files will be deleted once the session will terminate. Please note the resources in the notebook are temporary, and you might need to store your video and image files in your machine as well. So I will fast forward this. This is completed now. Ignore any warning appear under the first cell. Let's jump on to the next cell. This will download the pre-trained model. You need to wait for some time for the execution to be completed. As you can see, the image and the video files are also uploaded in the file section of this notebook. Here is the final step. You need to update the file names in the code. Just replace video.mp4 with your own file name that you just uploaded, and do the same with the image file as well. After updating the name, just click on the play button of this cell and it will start the execution. If you see any unrecognized argument error, then remove the video quality argument from the code and run the cell again. This will download the weights and split the video by 30 frames per second. Like if you have 60-second video, it will create 1800 photos of your video, process each of the photo and assemble the photos again to make the video back. You can also check the utilization of resources by opening the resources pane from top right corner. As you can see, the RAM, GPU memory and the available disk space are showing in here. The duration of this cell depends on the length of your video. Let's wait for the execution of this cell to be finished. Alright, the execution is completed and we can see swapped.mp4 file in the file section. Just right click on it and download to your machine. As you can see, it has pretty awesome results. I have swapped a couple of videos like swapping Superman's face with John Cena. I also tried putting Leonardo DiCaprio's face on Donald Trump. You see how simple is it? Just try this and let me know about the results in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the end, and if you found this video helpful, please like and maybe subscribe to AI Brainbox. Until next time.